Building a fully remote global team can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools, it's not only possible, it's scalable. In this quick guide, we'll dive into how you can leverage Oyster to make that process seamless, from hiring to managing your team, no matter where they are in the world. Oyster is a platform designed to help businesses manage a fully remote team without the hassle of setting up local entities in different countries. It's perfect for scaling your team globally without the headaches that come with legal and compliance requirements. First, the key to building a remote global team with Oyster is its ease of use when it comes to hiring. You can quickly post jobs and hire talent from around the world. Oyster takes care of all the legal complexities involved in international hiring, which means you don't need to worry about understanding local tax codes or employment laws. Once you've hired your team members, Oyster lets you onboard them efficiently with localized contracts, ensuring everyone is compliant with their country's specific laws. This is a huge time saver as it removes the need for individual research into local regulations. Oyster makes the paperwork simple, so you can focus on getting your team up and running. The platform also handles payroll in over 180 countries, paying employees in their local currencies, and even manages benefits, taxes, and insurance for you. This global payroll function is a massive asset for anyone trying to scale without a full HR department in place. Oyster lets you handle everything centrally while still offering localized solutions for your team members, making them feel supported no matter where they are based. As you build your global team, you'll need to stay connected. Oyster helps you create a culture of collaboration and communication by allowing you to track your team's progress, set expectations, and manage performance effectively. From time zone management to team alignment, Oyster makes sure that everyone is on the same page despite working across different time zones. When it comes to compliance, Oyster stays ahead of the game. They handle tax compliance and local labor law requirements so that your remote workforce is always in line with local regulations. This allows you to expand your operations globally without the added stress of staying on top of every country's changing laws. If you're new to remote work or just exploring the idea of scaling globally, Oyster gives you the tools to get started without a steep learning curve. You don't need to be an expert in international employment to get things running smoothly. Oyster is intuitive and built to scale with your company's growth. Now, if you're considering using Oyster, you can get started for free with an exclusive trial by using the first link in the description below. Plus, we've worked out a bonus offer that gives you more features at no extra cost when you sign up. This is your chance to experience everything Oyster offers without any upfront investment, so you can see how it works for your business. Building a remote global team is one of the most efficient ways to scale your business, and Oyster makes that process incredibly simple and cost-effective. From hiring the best talent worldwide to managing them with ease, Oyster is the solution you've been looking for. Be sure to click the first link below to take advantage of your exclusive extended free trial and start growing your team today. So, whether you're just starting your remote journey or you're ready to scale globally, Oyster is the tool that'll make it happen. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see how it can transform your business.